In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Bitbucket password. We'll walk through the exact steps inside Bitbucket so you can update your password quickly and securely. This applies to Bitbucket cloud accounts which use your Atlassian account for sign-in, so the change happens in your Atlassian security settings. Start by opening your browser and going to bitbucket.org. If you're not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for the settings gear icon. In some layouts, you might see your profile avatar instead. Either way, open the menu that leads you to your account or personal settings. From there, select Atlassian Account Settings. This will take you out to the Atlassian Account portal, which is where password and security controls live for all Atlassian products, including Bitbucket. Give the page a moment to load and then navigate to the security section. This is the area where you'll manage your password, two-step verification, and other sign-in options. When you're ready to change your password, first enter your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change. If you can't remember it, use the forgot password link instead of guessing repeatedly, which can lock you out. After confirming your current password, enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a long passphrase with a mix of words, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites, and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it safely. Type your new password carefully, and if there's a confirmation field, enter it again to ensure there are no typos. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. You may be asked to complete an additional verification step, especially if you have two-step verification enabled, which adds an extra layer of security. After saving, Atlassian may sign you out of other sessions to protect your account, so be prepared to sign back in on other devices. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use single sign-on through your company or sign in with a third-party provider, your password may be managed by that provider instead of Atlassian, and you'll need to update it there. Also, if you use Bitbucket from Git clients over HTTPS, you might be prompted to enter the new password the next time you push or pull. That's it. You've successfully changed your Bitbucket password through your Atlassian account security settings. Keep your credentials safe and consider enabling two-step verification if you haven't already.